Hey guys, so this is my first voiceover here on TikTok. I'm going to be doing today a mirrored tray. So it's one of those mirrored trays that you guys see over in Home Center, Home Depot, IKEA. So I went ahead and got me a styrofoam board, a mirror, some glue gun glue, and today Fluffy was playing over here. So anyways, I'm cutting over the foam or the styrofoam to match the size of the mirror. Please get an adult to assist you with this if you cannot perform it yourself. So I'm just cutting, and then I am going to be applying glue all over the edges of the styrofoam. First, I'm taking the size of this material, I don't know what to call it, and I am sizing it. And then I am applying the glue gun, which was a very big fail to me, because once I applied the glue gun, it did not stick.
Oh, it's sunk in.
There we go.
So as you guys can see, it's sunk all the way in the glue, so I had to clean all the styrofoam from the floor, so it was just a big mess. Then I decided to go over with my E6000 glue, and again, it did not stick and sunk in and ate all my styrofoam. Then I decided to go in with double-sided tape, which was the easiest solution to do from the very beginning. So don't waste your time with glue gun or E6000. Just grab yourself some double-sided tape and tape that material all over the sides of the styrofoam board. And that's it. It's so simple, so easy, and yet so luxurious. Then I put some I put some sticky tape or double-sided tape on the surface of the board so that I can stick the mirror on top. And I decided also to add a little bit of E6000 glue. That will not sink in because the face of the surface of the board does not have that foam material. It was a different kind of material, so it will not sink in. So I removed all the double-sided sides of the tape and I started applying the mirror, as you can see. And there you have it, so pretty, and you can organize all your perfumes on your vanity to look extremely luxurious and bougie for all those Instagram pictures that you guys like to take. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know what you want to see next.